Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database, and I want to show you the triangle UFO on the sun, which is the size of the moon at least. It could be much bigger than that. And it's kind of extraordinary, and it's just not talked about by NASA. Now this is ESA software, official ESA software that I'm using. And it's pretty amazing. It shows grid patterns, it shows locations, the degrees, exactly where you are. We're going to the 45 by 45 position, and that is here, 45 and 45. So we're going to this location right there where my cursor is. Watch us zooming in. As we zoom in, we'll see a black triangle there. How big can I make it? That's as big as it gets. Oh, no, it does get bigger. Still talking about the triangle, yes. Take off the grid, and you can see the black triangle there really well. When you move, it does turn blurry, so hold it still. Stop the play from playing, because if you hit play, it blurs out. You won't see it so well. But when you stop it and you move it yourself, one by one, you can really see what's going on. Now this is taken between January 1st, 2020 and yesterday, which is today in your country. But here in Taiwan, it's actually the 11th. So I had to get this only to the 10th February. So this is for a long time, about 6 whole weeks. And it's taken on ESA software, so it's very accurate. Pretty amazing stuff, isn't it, guys? Now, if you watch my cursor over here, what I did is I hit grid to remove the grid or to place it back in so you know the exact position it's in. It's right here. See the grid? 45 by 45 degrees. It's really close to the 45 area. And it does jump. It jumps from here to up there really fast if I put this in faster motion. Now, watch this. It's going to jump. It's going to jump. Nope, jumped. Did you see that? Okay, so it did change positions down here somewhere. And it kind of leaps a long distance. Right there. So pretty awesome evidence that aliens are interested in our sun. This thing might be a drone, who knows? It could be there to gather particles for light speed engines, or maybe this is gathering some kind of particles we haven't discovered yet to power their space stations or cultures. I'm sure they have a lot of electronics and other things that are so advanced, so incredibly advanced, normal electricity probably would not work to power them. So they probably have special power sources beyond our comprehension right now, beyond our physics. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Let's take off that grid pattern. You can also come over here to layers and pick and choose quite a few other areas. As you see, there's lots of different places you can choose. But I chose this one because this is the only one I could find with a triangle in it. The only one I could find with a black triangle in it. Now that looks like a stealth fighter to me, doesn't it? I used to work on B-1 bombers and B-2 bombers, the stealth bomber, B-2, and in South Dakota. And this thing looks like it has stealth material. It also could very possibly be very heat resistant. So heat resistant, some things you could put in white hot fire and they just won't get hot with technology. We have some of that technology already. Remember the space shuttle? They had tiles on the outside that just would not burn. They broke and flew off, but they didn't burn. So it shouldn't be too hard for aliens to take the kind of power we have and make it 100 times better, especially if they have 1 billion years of technological advance and evolution ahead of us. So, okay guys, this is Scott C. Waring of ET Database, signing out. Like and subscribe. I'll make more videos for you very soon. Thank you very much.